So at the end of 2021, I was looking back on the year and I felt sad because I knew that we hadn't closed as many agency clients as we should have. I felt like my agency should be bigger. And as I thought more about it, I just realized like the only reason we didn't close more clients is because we didn't focus enough on it. So going into 2022, I sat down with my partner and we got some really clear goals on what we wanted to do throughout 2022 when it came to client acquisition. We wanted to close 12 clients per quarter. So there's technically like 13 weeks in every quarter, but pretty much one per week. And that was going to be January all the way through December. January, we closed 5, February, we closed 2, March, we closed 4, which gave us a total of 11 for that quarter. Quarter 2, April, we had 2 sales, May, we had 6, June, we had 2 again. So that was 10 clients closed in quarter 2. Quarter 3, we had 7 in July, 3 in August, and 2 in September. So that got us to our goal of 12. So you can see we missed it the first 2 quarters, but we got close enough. So it would have been nice to add 1 or 2 more, but it's going to be fine in the long run. So in order to understand the system fully, we need to go over how many sales calls it actually take to get the 33 sales that we've had so far in the past 3 quarters. The answer is we've had about 65 sales calls. So that puts us at average closing ratio of about 50% and an average number of sales calls per quarter at 22. Very reasonable numbers. Like anybody can achieve these. That comes down to a little less than 2 per week. And if you close 1 of those, then you've got your 1 per week. So now let's talk about how we actually get in those 65 sales calls this year. So our marketing strategy at OrthoPatients is to have some inbound, and that's going to be the majority of how we generate new leads, and then outbound in the form of email broadcasts. And it's just these 2 things that help us have success. Now, inbound is a little bit more complicated, but outbound is literally just email broadcast. That's all we do. So first, let's talk about the inbound side of things. This is split into 3 areas. The first one is a website and blog that we have. The second one is the YouTube channel that we have. And then the third one is Facebook ads. So first, let's go ahead and cover the Facebook ads. I'll hop into my computer here and you'll see during this year, we spent about $4,000 on ads, most of which were just on this one campaign. We've got a 1% lookalike of the emails that we have, and then also the people who have visited our website and our funnel pages. If this doesn't make sense to you, go watch some more advanced Facebook ad stuff. And then the other audience is people in the United States and Canada. Again, a lookalike, people who like our Facebook page. We've tried other like interest-based targeting. This is what's working the best for us right now, so that's why we're running. So both of these ad sets are active, and inside of them we have a few ads each. Most of them are just testimonial type videos. This is one of our clients saying that we did a great job for them. And then another one is like an interview that I did talking to another client. Here's some of the copy. We'll look at a couple other examples here so you guys can see. So then this actually takes them to this website here. But basically what happens is we have this YouTube video of me talking to this doctor who had a 7x ROI with us. It says book a call. Then we have 4 other interviews that we did. And then we say get more eyes on your practice, turnkey system, guaranteed results, 20+ years of experience. And then if they book a call with us, they can just select a time here. They fill out this info and then we have a call with them. That's how the Facebook ads funnel works. Oddly enough, this doesn't work that well. At this point, we're spending like $8 a day, which I think comes out to maybe $200 to $300 a month. It's just like awareness. Hey, we're awesome. It gets people to think about us more. And I got on a sales call one time where the doctor was like, I see your face every day. It's because we're running a lot of ads that put my face in front of orthodontists every single day. So this is absolutely can work. For us, we just found that like spending more and more and more on this really niche audience didn't actually produce more results for us. And so we just said, let's spend $300 a month, keep the name out there. People will think about us. And then when they see us in their email inbox or when they see us at an event or something like that, they'll be like, oh yeah, I know these guys from Facebook. All right, so that's the Facebook side of things. That's literally all there is to it. That's what we do anyway. Next, let's go to YouTube. So this is the OrthoPatients channel. We have around, coming up on 3,000 subscribers, but most of those subscribers are not orthodontists. So let's go ahead and check out the content that's actually producing the results for us here. As you can see, most of the videos that are actually having success are not the ones pointed at orthodontists. But if we go into the advanced analytics here, let's see in the last year until now, middle of November, which videos are producing the most views and then therefore would be producing the strategy sessions or the sales calls for us. how to grow your orthodontic practice in 2022, secret strategy, the orthodontic marketing checklist for 2022, marketing for orthodontists made simple, orthodontic marketing in 2020. All of these have like a few hundred views. It's not a lot, but believe it or not, we actually get quite a few from all of these added up. You know, that's a few thousand views. And all of those, when they find us, they go watch a few other videos. It's a small market. And then they're like, yeah, these guys seem to know what they're talking about. They book a call with us. It works really well, and it takes a lot of time to actually get it to work and build up a channel with a ton of really good content that people want to watch. But when you've got it, it works super well. All right, now let's discuss our website. So this is the website we have. It's built on WordPress and has hosting from WP Engine. I don't think there's anything super special about the website, but the blog, this is actually getting us a lot of website traffic, which helps people find out about us, and then they book calls. So you can see this one, the Ultimate Guide to Orthodontic Marketing 2022. This is one I wrote in 2020, and they can actually click here and like submit their info to download the PDF of this. This was called an SEO magnet. You've built something that's so helpful that Google can't help but rank you because they know like people are reading this, they're spending time doing it. SEO has a lot of things that we're not going to go into today, but a lot of it is just producing quality content that people actually want to read. These other blogs, this was written by an SEO company that we ended up not working with long term, but we've just got a lot of good quality blog posts on here. Like this one, 39 unique ideas for social media. And then we've got embedded posts from a bunch of different orthodontists so people can, you know, get ideas for that. So this is our Google Search Console for orthopatients.com. In the last, this is like 16 months from when we started this Search Console account, we started taking SEO fairly seriously here. This was beginning of 2022 here, where we paid the SEO company for a few months and things started to take off pretty well. But if we scroll down here, you'll actually see what the majority of the clicks are coming from. So the first one's orthopatients, obviously people just searching the name, but then we've got orthodontic marketing ideas for orthodontists, fun marketing ideas, orthodontic social media posts, orthodontic office marketing ideas. And all of these, again, the views add up, the clicks add up over time. And people just seeing us, like this brand's been seen 8,000 times. It's only been clicked on 12 times, but they're gonna see our name, and then this is going to contribute to these people just searching us directly. And you have to think these people are pretty solid viewers and solid buyers typically because they're searching for these specific topics. So that's how the inbound system works. We got the Facebook ads, we got the YouTube, we got the website, and then we also just kind of have word of mouth, buzzes, you know, clients talking about us to other people. So that's kind of what's happening in the industry around our company. But in addition to that, we send out emails. And these emails are kind of, I would say, the quote unquote secret sauce to getting the appointments. All of this stuff kind of builds us up, gives us a good brand, but the emails actually help people set the appointment. All right, so here we are inside of the Email Notion dashboard that we have. These are where all the emails that we're currently writing live. These are the ones that are scheduled or have already been sent. And then this is an archive from all the ones that we've sent this year. Let's look at what we were sending March 15th, for example. Subject, have you tried Facebook ads yet? We'll make you a believer. The first paragraph here says website ads, not cutting it for you, but nervous about social media, tired of lots of no-shows and people who can't afford treatment. Have you tried or thought about using Facebook ads for your practice? And then we explain a little bit more about Facebook ads, explain the 4 steps to our program here, reference a testimonial from a client, and then put a big red button so that people can click. And it's literally as simple as that. Like 99% of our emails just look like that. The key here is the subject line and the copy in the emails. And that's why we pay a copywriter to write these emails. And again, we send out about one of these per week. And every time we do, we book a call or multiple calls from it. We've got YouTube, we've got the blog, we've got Facebook ads that are feeding the awareness engine of my business. Then a percentage of the people that see all of these marketing materials that we've put out or find us online end up opting in for something, and we get their email. And then of those people, and also the scraped emails that we have, we broadcast the emails that I just showed you about once per week, and that gets us 1 client per week. Guys, if you liked this video, probably like this one where I go over how we actually get results for our clients. And this is a big part of building up our reputation in the space so that people already respect us, know about us before they get on the sales calls, which also contributes to us being able to close as many clients as we do. Thanks so much for tuning into this video, and we'll see you in the next one.